Struggling with your Facebook ads? Not sure why they're not clicking just right? Stick around, guys. I'm going to show you some simple tweaks you can make so your Facebook ads will start selling like crazy. Welcome back, guys. I'm Dan Willis of MillennialMotivator.ca, helping you create, engage, and inspire your clients online to succeed. Today, I'm pumped. We're talking about Facebook ads and how to really optimize them to get you guys where you're going. A lot of the groups, a lot of the people that I talk to, a lot of the entrepreneurs that I'm part of masterminds and those brainstorming groups, they're trying to wrestle with how do I make this Facebook ads thing work to my advantage. And the reality is it doesn't need to be as complex as you think. There's a lot of tried and true advertising practices that you can implement that are going to take you a long way as far as optimizing the ads and creating better sales conversions. Now, I'm not talking about growing your ad budget. I'm not talking about things like, well, if I give a company my ad campaign, is that going to work better? It's not that kind of stuff, guys. These are simple tweaks you can make yourself. So if you're an entrepreneur or you're a small business and you're looking to learn how to make your business grow, this is the place for you. Click that subscribe button. I put out videos like this Monday through Saturday. I'll be here. But let's get to it. Simple things, simple twists that you can make to your Facebook ad campaign to start selling more today. First up, guys, it's know your niche. This is a simple one. They're all going to be simple, but this one is that much more simple in that if you are selling a product that you are familiar with the niche, you know what it's about, you need to demonstrate that through the copy and through the image, okay, guys? And you must have heard this a million times. If you've heard it once, when you're creating your Facebook ads, the copy and the image are the bread and butter. It's like the thumbnails on YouTube, right? If it's not attractive, if it's not appealing, if it doesn't get to the point, it's not going to matter. But even more than that, it can be attractive, appealing, and get to the point, but not speak directly to the niche. So, if you're selling a product to a specific niche, let's take comic books, for example. Use terms that people are going to understand, cling on to in the copy itself. Have an image that appeals to that niche, guys. It's not difficult to do. It takes a little bit longer, but in creating an ad that's appealing specifically to your niche and not to someone else, you're actually going to convert higher because you're going to be targeting people that actually want to click through and convert to a sale. Okay, so you've got your niche-tailored copy, you've got your niche-tailored image. Where do you go next? Next up, guys, and this is one that can be quite controversial, but for me, it's find areas where it's applicable, right? And what do I mean by that? Well, if you're targeting a luxury item, let's say, you're not going to just want to blanket, well, everybody in the U.S. Everybody in the U.S. I'm selling Porsches and I'm going to target everybody in the U.S. You could do that, but you're hitting a lot of traffic that's not going to convert for you, and you're spending money to do that. So make sure that the places that you're choosing to target, whether it's geolocale or it's the specific terms and search terms that you're entering into your Facebook ads, make sure that those are targeted specifically to where you're going. This, again, can be very simple, guys. But if you consider, again, we'll use the comic books as an example here. If you're going to use comics, you know, oh, well, there's Comic Cons all over the U.S. Let's find some of the biggest Comic Cons in the U.S. Great. So where are the cities where that happens? You know, San Diego, New York, Florida, Tampa Bay. Like, great. You know where these massive Comic Cons are happening. Great. Target those cities with your advertising. By targeting those cities specifically for your niche, you know that you've got a higher chance of converting than if you're just going to blanket cover the entire country. Make sure it's specific, guys. Know your niche translates more to just the copy. It also can translate into where you're targeting. Know your customer. Know where they are. Last but not least, guys, and you're going to, again, people have said this, they talk about A/B testing. I'm not going to talk about A/B testing. I'm going to talk about ABCD testing, okay? And the way this works, it's a simple method that you can use to optimize your Facebook ads. It works like this. You're going to take an ad. You're going to, you've got your copy, you've got your image, but before you put it through, you know where you're going to target it. Great. So let's find the person that we're going to target. It could be, let's go 4 different age groups. You're going to go, okay, 18 to 24. You're going to go 25 to 30. You're going to go 30 to 35, and you're going to go 35 to 40, let's say, okay? You've got these 4 different groups. Put those 4 groups out there. Use your ad budget. Split it evenly between them. Watch it. Watch it for 2 days. See what converts. It doesn't take a lot of money. We're talking $5 on an ad, okay? So you're spending $20 total. Find the ads that convert from that ABCD, okay? Now, top converting ad, great. Take it, move it over. Now, start playing around with some other things. Start creating more of these duplicate ads. Take the winning ad, specify it. Either get a smaller area that you're targeting. Only target one city or one specific group of cities. Okay, great. Run that. So I'm going to run New York, Chicago, Detroit, and San Diego. Let's see which city delivers the best results. Great. New York is delivering the best results. So create an ad specifically for that. So now we've got, an 18 to 24 ad specifically for New York that's targeted for comics. Great. What happens if I target, Marvel versus DC? Is that going to produce something for me? Constantly be looking at how can I make this as specific as possible, narrow it down so it's converting. There are ads that I had over Black Friday that were converting at we're talking a 10% click-through rate. 10% click-through rate on an ad. It's a phenomenal delivery. Facebook is great for click-through as is, but then on top of that, we were able to convert that 10% click-through into a massive month. Like we're talking $300,000 in sales off of this simple process of targeted ads converting through. It was a great tool. I highly recommend that you guys are doing this. So if you've got Facebook ads out there that you are not optimizing using this split duplicate method, there's got to be a catchier term for that. ABCD testing, whatever it is. Making sure that you're narrowing it down and really exposing what is successful and what is not. You're going to see a lot more conversions come out of that. That's it for today though, guys. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'm going to throw up some other videos here for you to take a look at, of course, as we usually do. I might even throw this into a Jeff Bezos playlist, and you guys can watch all kinds of great stuff that he does with his talks. But that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. Let me know. Question of the day down in the comments below. How are you going to be like Jeff?